This is the Galaxy S24, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the camera startup mode on your phone, or the mode that will be open here when you open the camera. And to do this, you need to first open the camera here and then tap on the quick controls, go to settings here and find the settings to keep here. And now all you need to do is tap on camera mode, and that's it. You can now open the camera on the video mode, for example, like this, or you can just use one of these options here, like the Pro mode, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.